Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DAL, Delta. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day today with earnings, and then, of course, the entire airline sector was pretty rough, but not necessarily just today. And the big question becomes, what's going on with the airlines? Are these things bullish? Are these things bearish? And you go out there and read the headlines, and you can see headlines of all different sorts. But the way I kind of cut through all the headlines and just you can call my opinion relatively lazy. I guess that's fair. But what I'm curious about and what I am watching is this trend line right here. Meaning I don't care about what I'm reading. I don't care about what I see. Airlines, Delta as a whole is totally bearish until the price can first prove itself. Now that does bring about the valid question. Okay, well, what do you mean by prove itself? Prove itself by getting up above and staying up above that downtrending trend line that has been very evident. So from a trading standpoint, I'm not saying this thing can't make nice moves. There, fantastic move, rolled back over. Another fantastic move, rolled back over. Another nice move, rolled back over. Do you kind of get the idea here? Another nice move, and then a pretty big roll over there. Nice little bounce right there, and then rolled right back over. So from a trading standpoint, again, I'm not saying to avoid because you can't make any money. There's plenty of money to be made, but just from an overall, technical point of view, this thing is in a downtrend, and just because the price has a couple upwards days, maybe that is finally the start of something overall bullish. But my core point here is that any bounce, any signs of bullishness are guilty until proven innocent, meaning guilty in terms of, that's just a dead cat bounce. There's not any actual true strength behind it. So that is how I would view it until, again, like I said, the price can actually prove itself by getting above and staying above that trend line there. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned going forward, key level to watch, going to be right there at 21.75. Definitely a very historic level. You can see several times the price has been down around that area, including today. So I know I'll be watching that level if this thing does roll back over as a potential short-sided trade right there. Because if it fails below there, I'm not saying that it's dropping straight down there in 2 minutes, but the next level of support would not be until down around 20.75. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But overall, you got to be bearish because of that trend line. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.